Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 money secrets that only the rich know. Did you know that 80% of millionaires are self-made? That means they started with nothing and built their wealth through hard work, smart decisions, and a deep understanding of how money works. The good news is, these secrets aren't locked away in a vault. They're principles anyone can apply to build a brighter financial future. Stick around to find out how you can join the ranks of the financially free. We're going to break down each secret, step by step, so you can start implementing them in your own life. Whether you're just starting out or you're already on your way to building wealth, these secrets can help you accelerate your journey and achieve your financial goals faster. So, let's get right to it. Alright, let's talk about the first money secret of the rich: investing early and consistently. This is the cornerstone of building wealth. You see, the wealthy understand that time is their greatest ally when it comes to money. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich slowly and steadily through the power of compound interest. Think of compound interest like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it's small, and the growth seems insignificant. But as it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger, and gaining momentum. That's what happens to your money when you invest it early and consistently. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small contributions made regularly can snowball into a significant amount of wealth over time. Let me illustrate this with an example. Imagine two people, both aiming to retire at 65. Person A starts investing $5,000 per year at age 25. Person B, on the other hand, waits until they're 45 to start investing, but they contribute $10,000 per year to catch up. Who do you think ends up with more at retirement? You got it, Person A. Even though they invested less overall, their money had more time to compound. That's the magic of starting early. And the best part is, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to make this work for you. There are plenty of simple, accessible investment options out there like index funds and ETFs that can help you get started. The key is to start now, even if it's with a small amount. Remember, consistency is key. Make investing a non-negotiable part of your budget, like paying rent or buying groceries. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, so you don't even have to think about it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now, let's move on to the second money secret of the rich: diversifying your income streams. Here's the thing. Millionaires rarely rely on a single source of income. They understand that putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. Instead, they create multiple streams of income, like investments, side hustles, real estate, or even digital businesses. This way, if one stream dries up, they have others to fall back on. Think of it like having a financial safety net. Let's say you lose your job. That's definitely a stressful situation, right? But if you have other income streams coming in, it cushions the blow significantly. You're not left scrambling to make ends meet. Now, diversifying your income doesn't mean you need to juggle 5 different jobs. It's about finding ways to leverage your skills, interests, and resources to create additional streams of income that align with your goals. For example, maybe you're passionate about photography. You could start a side hustle as a freelance photographer, shooting weddings, portraits, or even selling your photos online. Or perhaps you have a knack for writing. You could offer your services as a freelance writer, creating content for websites, blogs, or even social media. The possibilities are endless. The key is to identify your strengths and find ways to monetize them. And the beauty of the internet is that it's made it easier than ever to create and scale your own income streams. You can start an online business, sell products on Etsy, or even create and sell online courses. The point is, don't limit yourself to just one source of income. Explore your options, be creative, and find ways to build multiple streams of income that can provide you with financial security and peace of mind. Chapter 3. Live below your means. Let's face it, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you upgrade your car, you move into a bigger apartment, and suddenly, you're back to living paycheck to paycheck. It's a trap that many people fall into, but the wealthy understand the importance of living below their means. This doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation. It simply means being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices about where your money goes. Instead of trying to keep up with the Joneses, focus on building a solid financial foundation. One of the biggest secrets of the wealthy is that they prioritize saving and investing before spending. They pay themselves first. That means before they buy the latest gadgets or designer clothes, they set aside a portion of their income for savings and investments. This simple habit allows them to build wealth steadily over time, even if they're not earning a massive salary. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep. So how can you start living below your means? Well, it starts with tracking your expenses. Get a clear picture of where your money is going each month. You might be surprised to see how much you're spending on things you don't even need or use. Once you have a handle on your spending habits, start looking for areas where you can cut back. Can you cook at home more often instead of eating out? Can you find a more affordable gym membership? Can you negotiate a better rate on your car insurance? Small changes can add up to big savings over time, and the best part is, living below your means doesn't have to feel restrictive. In fact, it can be incredibly liberating. When you're not constantly chasing the next big purchase, you're free to focus on the things that truly matter to you, like spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or giving back to your community. Chapter 4. Network with like-minded individuals. Now let's talk about the power of networking. You've probably heard the saying, your network is your net worth, and it's true. The wealthy understand that surrounding themselves with successful, like-minded individuals can open doors to incredible opportunities. Think about it. When you're around people who are driven, ambitious, and financially savvy, their energy and mindset rub off on you. You're exposed to new ideas, perspectives, and potential business ventures that you might not have come across otherwise. Networking isn't just about attending fancy industry events or exchanging business cards. It's about building genuine relationships with people who share your values and aspirations. It's about learning from others, sharing your own experiences, and supporting each other's growth. So, how can you start building your network? Well, start by attending industry events, workshops, or conferences related to your field of interest. These events are great opportunities to meet new people, learn from experts, and expand your knowledge base. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, ask questions, and share your own insights. Remember, everyone is there to connect and learn from each other. Another great way to network is by joining online communities or forums related to your interests. There are countless Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and online forums dedicated to every niche imaginable. These platforms provide a space to connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and even collaborate on projects. And don't underestimate the power of mentorship. Seek out individuals you admire in your field and reach out to them for advice or guidance. You'd be surprised how many successful people are willing to pay it forward and help others on their journey. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be willing to offer your own expertise, connections, or support to others. Building strong relationships is about mutual benefit and creating a win-win situation for everyone involved. Chapter 5. Continuously educate yourself. And finally, the fifth money secret of the rich: never stop learning. Millionaires are voracious learners. They understand that in today's rapidly changing world, knowledge is power. They're constantly seeking to expand their knowledge base, whether it's by reading books, attending seminars, listening to podcasts, or taking online courses. The wealthy view education as an investment, not an expense. They understand that the more they learn, the more valuable they become, and the more opportunities they create for themselves. They're always looking for ways to improve their skills, stay ahead of the curve, and adapt to new trends. So, what should you be learning about? Well, start with personal finance. The more you understand about money, investing, and wealth building, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Read books by financial experts, follow reputable financial blogs and podcasts, and consider taking online courses on topics like investing, real estate, or entrepreneurship. Beyond personal finance, focus on expanding your knowledge in your field of work or any areas you're passionate about. Stay updated on industry trends, learn new technologies, and develop in-demand skills that can increase your earning potential. Remember, the world is constantly changing, and those who are willing to adapt and learn new things will thrive. Make it a habit to dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to learning something new. Whether it's reading a few pages of a book, listening to a podcast during your commute, or watching an educational video, make continuous learning a non-negotiable part of your routine. The more you invest in your education, the more valuable you become, and the more opportunities you unlock for yourself. Remember, knowledge is power, and it's a power that's accessible to everyone. Outro: start building your wealth today. There you have it, the top 5 money secrets that only the rich know. Remember, becoming a millionaire is within your reach if you apply these principles. It's not about luck. It's about making smart choices, being disciplined, and having a long-term perspective. Start by implementing one or two of these secrets into your life today. As you start to see results, it will motivate you to keep going and to incorporate more of these principles into your financial habits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. See you in the next video.